Hello guys, welcome to Python course. So in this video I'm going to discuss about some common questions will come up your mind when you are going to learn Python. So first question is, why do people use Python? We have lots of language, but why Python? It is having lots of features. So I will discuss some of them here. One is software quality. Software quality depends on two parameters. One is more readable, another one is reuse mechanism. If I make some software and I will reuse it to another application also, so it will be good or it will improve the quality of software. So here I will write 2 points. One is readability, another one is reuse mechanism. So readability means if the code is readable or more readable, so it will improve the quality of software. And reuse mechanism is if you can reuse the libraries and it will improve the quality of software. So in Python, you can reuse the library or it is very easy to reuse the libraries. Second one is developer productivity. So how Python will increase developer productivity? Developer productivity means Python code is typically 1/3 or 1/5 of the size of equivalent C++ and Java. So it is having 1/3 or 1/5 size of C++, Java. So less type, less to debug. If we have less syntax, then we can easily debug it in minimum time. So developer productivity will be increased in Python. Next is program portability. Program portability means write once, run anywhere. Like you write your application on Windows operating system, and if you want to run it on Linux, we can run easily in Linux and other platform also like Mac and all. So that is a feature. Next feature is support libraries. Support libraries is it is supporting a lots of libraries like network scripting, website constructions, numerical programming, serial port access, game development, a lots of libraries supported in Python. So it's very widely to use. Now component integration. Component integration means so your application is in C++, Java or .NET. So you can integrate your application library in your new application which is you are going to make in Python. So it is very easy to integrate in Python. The next question is, who uses Python today? So in market, lots of companies are using Python and lots of applications are already made in Python and we are using in daily way. So few of examples I have given here. So first example is NASA. NASA is using Python in cryptography. In cryptography, they encrypt the message using Python. So second example is Google. Google makes extensive use of Python in web search also they are using Python. And YouTube storing services also made up in Python. And third example is Intel. So Intel is using Python for automation activities. So Intel is semiconductor device company. So here in automation, all the semiconductor companies are using in automation Python. like Samsung, Qualcomm, Broadcom, Freescale, and lots of companies are using Python. So fourth example is Dropbox. So this is also a well-known company and it is using Python for storing services. And the last example is Robotics. So in Robotics also they are using Python, because using Python libraries we can interact with the hardware, so that they are using in robotics also, in military robotics and general robotics also. Apart from that, in Raspberry Pi, animated movies, online games, peer-to-peer sharing systems, desktop application, and lots of software you can make in Python, and it is very easy to use. So next question will be, what can I do with Python? So I will let you know in next video. Thanks for watching.